Where did everything come from? Over 13.8 billion years ago, our universe began. Not with a bang in space, but a burst of space, time, matter, and energy. This is the story of how everything started. According to modern cosmology, the universe began from an extremely hot, dense state, then space itself expanded. Within fractions of a second, everything blew up in a cosmic inflation, giving rise to the universe we know today. As the universe expanded, it cooled. Within minutes, protons and neutrons fused to make the first hydrogen, helium, and a little lithium. Hundreds of thousands of years later, electrons join nuclei to form neutral atoms, letting light travel freely. That faint glow still reaches us today as the cosmic microwave background, CMB. Then gravity began to gather matter. Clouds of gas collapsed to form stars. Stars grouped into galaxies, galaxies into clusters, and on the grandest scales, a cosmic web of filaments and voids. That is the large-scale structure we see today. But here's the surprising truth. Everything we see, stars, planets, you and me, is only a tiny fraction of the universe. Roughly 5% of the universe is ordinary matter, atoms. The rest is invisible, mysterious stuff called dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter acts like a cosmic scaffolding, giving gravity to bind galaxies together. Dark energy, on the other hand, pushes space apart, causing the universe's expansion to accelerate. What we see, stars, planets, life, is just the tip of the iceberg. The universe is mostly unknown. Studying dark matter and dark energy might reveal deeper truths about space, time, and our cosmic fate. The universe is more mysterious and beautiful than we ever imagined, and we're only beginning to understand it. The universe expands. Follow to witness its next chapter.